Now you see, when I was a girl, Christmas was also about fashion, you know. Christmas was also about parcel come from foreign. Whether England foreign, American foreign, or anywhere else which is not Jamaica. And how else you going to get for show off the fashion? If not on Grand Market night. Grand Market night is on Christmas Eve, when you dress up in your pretty dandan and you would go into town the night before, me dear. And you dress up and you would the town would have this what we call a great market where people come from all about to sell their grown provisions, the vegetables, but there was toys, there were games, all kinds of things. But you see now, the fashion was at the center of it. So you make sure, so you walk up and down, you know, so that everybody can see your pretty outfit. Another good place to show off your fashion was Christmas morning church. Now that is when the clothes that did come in at the parcel from foreign, from England or America or wherever, reserved for Christmas morning. And by the way, you may well find that on Grand Market night, your mother or your father or somebody did buy you a nice new pair of shoes. That's what you thought. Come Christmas morning, you dress up in your brand new foreign frock or pants or shirt. But then guess what now? These shoes. Because in those days, you know, them never really know your shoe size. So you have to put your foot down on a piece of cardboard and then cut round the shape of your foot and send it off to foreign and tell them, said, whatever size shoes, whatever shoes fit that shape that cut out, that is the size they must buy. Now, you can imagine you walk into church, because country I come from, on a Christmas morning. You put on the shoes and it look bossy. You make 2-step and locks, you feel sweet. But then, as you walk to church, you know, say, Jesus, me know say Christmas is when you're born, but you have to save me. Because these shoes here have to come off from my foot. Because the shoes take on a piece of money. And the heck of it is that you can't cry out. Because your mother go ask you, what? You can't take off the shoes either. Because you want your friend them see it. So that is when now you end up start to hop. You start to hop first on one foot, then on the next foot. And you pray, Master God, if your son can't save me, God, you have to come take me. And that is when you know, say, even though it's a grand Christmas morning and you're going to church, but you'd much rather have on your barefoot, because these shoes now walk. Them the things used to reach you. Used to reach me on a Christmas morning.